at CES 2020 introduced two new mid-range wireless headphones models to replace the previous 4.50 series named HD450BT and HD350BT. The Sennheiser HD450BT model has active noise-canceling support and quick access to the virtual assistant with the push of a button. Meanwhile, Sennheiser HD350BT model has the same design with HD450BT, but does not have the ability to prevent active noise. Sennheiser HD350BT has the same design as HD450BT. As an over-ear wireless headset with a beautiful and luxurious design, it stands out from the crowd of earphones, with a beautiful, minimalist, modern design and well-finished from high-quality materials. Sennheiser HD350BT has headband and ear pads made from high-grade leather for an extremely comfortable feeling to wear. The ear pad section fits the whole finger very smoothly and pleasant, extremely soft. The headset is also very light and comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Ear cup straps stretch the tradition. The headset can also be folded neatly, easily put into the carrying case. Extremely convenient for travel, business. The bottom right of the headset is a USB-C charging port, buttons to control song transfer, increase or decrease the volume or receive calls, call virtual assistants. Sennheiser HD350BT is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, overcome most of the weaknesses on the old Bluetooth generation. SBC, AAC, AP's trademark audio codecs provide less lost signal transmission, ensuring a stable connection quality, for better sound. The AP's low latency codec significantly reduces latency when watching videos or playing games. Make your movie or gaming experience more awesome than ever. The product is equipped with a conversation mic with control buttons that can be used to adjust the volume, pause or play music very easily. There's also a separate key on the headset for calling virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant or Alexa. This is extremely handy for everyday use. According to the manufacturer, Sennheiser HD350BT has a battery life of about 30 hours of use. This is an extremely good battery life. You can use the headset for up to a week without worrying about recharging the battery. And when you run out of battery, you don't have to worry. Sennheiser also equipped fast charging via USB-C port for your headset. HD350BT is also compatible with the Sennheiser Smart Control app, which supports customizing the EQ to suit the type of music you are listening to, update the firmware and some other features. The HD350BT has a dedicated voice assistant button for instant voice interaction with Siri or the Google Assistant. Controlling music and calls is also intuitive thanks to easy access touch buttons on the ear cups. Customizing your soundex to the Sennheiser Smart Control app. Listen to your music the way you want. This free dedicated app for iOS and Android provides an effortless way to control, personalize, update and configure your Sennheiser headphone. The stylish yet durable versatile wireless headset is a brilliant companion for experiencing better audio at home or on the move.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.